This is Danish from Ignite E-commerce.
Hey, this is Eddie. In the behalf of Twasul Global Exports from China, 我们有很多香水，如果你们需要的话，你们可以来找我们，我们可以给你们最好的价格、最好的香水，你们可以来找我们。谢谢。
Yeah, we just received this inventory from our China team, Global. It was all Global International Exports from our China team. We are here as the name of Ignite E-commerce. You can see here large shipments we just received. So we are making a sample quality video for our customer satisfaction. You can visit our offices in Pakistan anytime to test the quality of our perfume. The further things we'll discuss. My partner Eddie.
These all of the perfumes, we have factories in China. We are working on these perfumes, have best quality and best prices. If you have any queries, you can contact us. We are here for you guys.
Yeah, customer satisfaction is our first priority. You can visit our offices anytime, 24/7. Thank you.
Thank you.